co-founder of Lante OTC, an online stock exchange for small businesses. Our purpose is to reduce the failure rate of small businesses by building crutches that enable small businesses like yourselves to be sustainable and efficient. We're a team of 5, as you can see, we're also pleased to have Noah Greeno, the founder of the JSC's Altex, in our team. In our experience, we learned that small businesses spend a lot of time searching for funding. But however, we realize that even when they get funding, they are faced with harsh terms and conditions. And conversely, we realized that the funders battle with the monitoring and evaluation of the funded businesses. We decided there had to be a better way. Lante OTC enables you, business owners, to sell a fraction of your shares in exchange for the much needed capital. Our key value proposition is the power of public ownership. We believe that if you can distribute your shares to the public, you're able to galvanize ambassadors as well as referrals towards your business. Our initial hypothesis was based on the fact that we thought that small businesses like yourselves need capital. But however, after speaking to 60 investors and 42 SMEs, we realized that what small businesses actually need is clients and access to market. As we all know, a stock exchange is made up of 2 components: a secondary market, where investors sell shares amongst each other, and a primary market, where small businesses like yourselves make your shares available for the first time to the investor. We decided to focus on the primary market, therefore reducing our setup costs to 12%. Within a week, we managed to attract 175 registered investors and a letter of support from 5,000 SMEs from Shanduka Black Umbrellas. As you can see, this is a screenshot of our database, including the likes of Judy Dlamini, high network individuals who subscribed on our website. We remain indebted to our vision to strive to make small business sustainable and efficient, as the NDP denotes that in order for us to generate resources to implement a national vision, we need to grow the economy more rapidly. We're going to launch the website in April 2015, this year. And we need about 2 SMEs a month to break even. And also capital of 264 working capital to assist us with system support and system maintenance. Thank you very much for your time.